And for this one, let's build it. Yes, that's good. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I actually missed the thread just now. I was about to enter long here earlier, but then I have some issue with my streaming setup, so I was trying to resolve it, and then I end up missing this thread. Okay, it's about 20 plus pips. It's too bad. I was late. I noticed a thread somewhere here, but I was trying to resolve my streaming issue just now, uh, causing me to lose the opportunities here. Okay, I will share the idea behind this on why I think there's a good setup earlier. Let me just finish the setup for the live streaming. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's just save this down. Okay, the reason that why I'm thinking this is a good setup because in the 15 minutes charge, obviously you see there is a bottom wick here. It's a multiple bottom wick. Overall, is a strong uptrend. Okay, and then this area seems to be supported here. Okay, this candle here. There's a gap here, and then it seems to be supported. And then if you draw the Fibo, it's already in the zone now. You can see here is the golden zone. 0.69 is not broke. It's tested, it's not broke. So earlier when I look at the MACD is a divergence as well as on the 5 minutes it's a very obvious divergence. Okay, so that was why I was thinking to enter. If you look at 5 minutes charts, there's a retracement here. Okay, retraced here. Because I was trying to resolve the hiccup on the live streaming, so I missed out this thread, but it's okay. Well, it always happens. But let's see if we can break this trend line with engulfing, and then we see if our swing account can have an entry, but the risk is quite high. 40 pips. You are going to aim for at 80 pips, which is somewhere here. Okay. We will see if we are able to achieve that. Okay, but there's a multiple top wick here. Okay, there's a multiple wick here. And by looking at the 1 hour chart, okay, still doing good for 1 hour chart, but the 15-minute chart doesn't show, seems that it's going to break. So it's okay. Let's wait. We will see how it goes. So definitely there's a good setup for the scalping earlier. If you manage to enter here, you will get 20 pips. Okay. So here the risk is very low. You just need to set at bottom here. It's about 10 pips. Even if you set at the low is 20 pips. Okay, you already get a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. But it's okay. Okay, the US market is just open. I think it backs to the normal time whereby it opens at 9:30 now. Okay, yeah, the US market is open. I think the US market is on a retracement. It failed to break out last Friday. Let's see how it goes. Oh, Bitcoin is already hitting 72K here. It brought new high again. Well, it's such a great pump here. Let me measure. It's about 25. You can aim for 50 actually. That's okay, just wait. Let's see if it retraces again and the MACD still remain positive, then I will enter a long trade here, okay? I'll enter for a long here. If it manage to retrace to these zones and MACD still remain positive, okay? But it seems like going to break this trend line now. The momentum seems to be quite strong and breaking the trend line. Well, I missed this opportunities while trying to troubleshoot on my live streaming. Alright guys, this seems like a very strong uptrend is and seems to be a very valid breakout here. What I'm going to do is I needed to come down here and retest. Okay, if you retest this trend line, then I will make an entry. If no, then nothing we can do. We'll just wait for the price to come up here to do a shot. Okay, so what we're going to do is just let's wait for the price to retrace. Okay. Let me look at the news. Tomorrow at 30, we're going to have a core CPI. And on Thursday, there's a PPI. These two news this week. Correct. It's a very, very, very valid breakout. But when you don't enter here, if you enter here, you're gonna take a risk of 100 pips. Okay. All we're going to do is just let's wait for the retrace. Okay. If you manage to retest these levels, then we are going to do for a long and M for this level. Okay. Let's just wait for it. I believe it will retrace. Okay. Hopefully it will retrace. Let's wait. If there's no retracement, then nothing you can do lah. Just wait. Okay. If you miss the opportunities here, then do not rush. Okay. Risk management is always our first priority. Alright guys, we are right. It's going to retest here. So if you go in and try to enter here, you're going to suffer losses now. Okay. So we just wait patiently, see if it's going to retrace. If no, then it's okay. I'm just going to wait until you trace about 15 to 20 more pips. Then I will decide whether I'm gonna enter or not. And we have to look at the volume, see how much is the retracement. Alright, we'll just wait. Uh, there's still more room to retrace. And 10 more pips here at least, I think. Uh, we have 2 more minutes to go and we will see. I think not yet. I'm not going to enter long yet. Uh, Let's just wait. Be patient. Be patient. Because if this candle is not closing nice, then the 1 hour chart is a fake breakout. So we have 2 more minutes to decide on this. We will wait to do a quick scalp here. M is 2179.5 at least. Just be patient. Okay, seems like the hourly chart is doing great here. Okay, I do not have a chance because I'm actually waiting at 2179.5 here. Okay, this is the place that I'm waiting for entry, but it never reached here. It's okay. We just wait patiently. Just be patient. Alright guys, seems to be entering our zone. Let's just do a quick long here. Hey, what happened? What was the issue here? Hey, I think there's some issue here. It doesn't allow me to execute the thread. Um, uh, let me check what happened to the account. But I think this is a good zone to do a long, okay, for scalping. I have some issue with my FTMO account. I guess if I thought it's on expired on well, or get all the way down. Okay, okay. I think it's still good to do a long here. I don't think it will just come down like that. I don't know why the account doesn't allow me to execute any trades here. Let me check on the website. Uh, oh, well, but really, you know that it's going to be a sad loss, so it doesn't allow me to execute the trade. Yeah, it's okay. Even here is still a good chance here. Let me see if I can log into my FTMO to restart the login process. Click here. Okay. Yeah, exactly. You see, I don't know why it doesn't allow me to execute the thread. Let me see if I can execute in this account. Oh yeah, this account can execute. So probably it's a login issue. Oh well, but this is a swing account. Seems like I found out a bit. Well, we will just aim for a. Um, let's see if it's a lock-in issue. Yeah, I'm having some losses here, but it's okay. Do not follow this thread. I'm going to. Oh, the scalping account actually ended yesterday. That's why it doesn't allow me to. Okay, because of the time limit, but it's okay. It's okay because it's a time limit issue. But overall, our strategy is working well. Well, we will see how this candle close since we already entered the thread. Uh, it's completely okay. Let's log into the FTMO, log in again. Let's go into the patch. I think I have messed up on the date. For the swing account on the 14th of March, whereas the scalping account ended already. Yeah. Mm. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Our strategy is well on the right uh path. Okay. I think with that I will just move on to the real account which is on the funded next. Mm. Let me just reconfirm when does the swing account challenge end. Because the good thing about funded next is that there is no time limit. Okay, you don't need to worry about the time limit. Oh, even this account will be end tomorrow, so we have to pass the challenge today. We are going to gain a 2.5%, which is not that easy. But we will see how this candle close. Okay, if it's close above the trend line, then we will just hold the trend and we let's aim to achieve the goal. Let's see if we can achieve the goal. Okay, it's okay. It's completely okay because it's going to end tomorrow. Okay, it's okay. Let's try to enter the position here, and our set loss will be 2171 74.5. Let's do this 2174.5. Okay. Yeah, 2174.5. Let's do this. I'm going just to put at the low 2174.5. So the set loss is about, I would say, 30 pips. And we're just going to aim for 60 pips. So 21, let's put 21 at 5. So I think with that, I think I should just get rid of this FTMO because of the time limit, and we will just move to the funded next account because there's no time limit over there. Mm, mm, mm. Just let's enter another position here. Not to worry. Okay. 2174.5, 2174.5, and our profit target is 21 at 3. Okay, this let's aim for that. 21 at 3 and 21 at 5. Okay, we'll see how does it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, okay. I think for scalping we just know we are having about 0.5% up, but let's see how it goes in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, we will decide whether we close this as a scalping or we are just going to hold as a swing trade. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. It seems like it's not going up. Not going up further. It seems like we're going we are not going to pass the challenge because of the time constraint. Okay, because it's going to due tomorrow. We are not achieving the profit target here, but we are actually making good profit a year. I think that's just get another 2174. Okay. Then 2183. Okay. You don't change your you go down to the 5 minutes chart. Okay, this is how you do the set loss. It's alright. Let's just hold. I know this is the big gap. The gap is quite huge, but because bear in mind this is not the strategy that we are looking into. So this episode will only for entertainment purpose because uh the account will expire tomorrow. So I will just try anything to see if we can pass. If no, then it's okay. We will move on to funded next. Alright? It doesn't matter at all. What we need to do is just we have to remember our strategy and stick to our strategies, okay? You do not change your strategy into gambling method because you do not pass within 14 days. You see, we are given 14 days, but I only managed to trade 7 days. That's the issue here. It's not because of the strategies, it's because of the time we have as a part-time trader. Okay, if we're doing scalping, we are actually got a 0.5% earlier, but it's okay. We just going to try to make this complete, trying to pass this challenge. I don't think it's going to go up that soon because that candle is quite huge. It's eating up all the candle on the left, but it's okay. We are up by almost 1%. We just need to wait, but I think it's going to break the high of the candle on the left. If it does, then we are going to make a great profit here. Okay, we are already up by 1%. Okay, we are already up by 1%, but I don't think it's going to break the high. It's going to retrace back here to retest the low again. So it's going to have what we call as a sideways here for the 1 minute chart. But let's see if the 5 minute chart can close above, then we are good to go. We are 1,005 away from getting our profit. 1,005 is like not even 10 pips away from here. Okay, so 218079, right? So even though if we close our trade somewhere here, we're still going to pass the challenge, yeah? So let's just move our take profit here, okay? Okay, it's just going to be somewhere here. Alright, just wait for it. I think the 15 minutes chart is closing as I don't know. Still have 15 more seconds to go. Whether it's going to break the high or not, we still don't know yet. Okay, it seems like it's not going to break the high. If it's not, then I'm going to close all the trade. 2179. I got to close 2179. Okay, it's breaking a high, but I think it retraced now. Yeah, it's as usual. As usual. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute chart. Let me see some positive. 5 minutes is still on a negative. 5 minutes is on negative. The retracement has not ended here for 5 minutes chart. But look at the 50 minutes chart candle, I think it's the breakout is still valid. It depends on how these candles react now. Yeah, it doesn't seem good here. But well, either we pass or we just end the account here today. Let's see, the US market seems like on the retracement mode. Yeah, we are already up by 2%. We are just a little bit away from yes. I think we are already hitting the profit. Okay, let's close this. Let's close this. Yes, we are we are finishing off this account with this trade today here. Okay, we have passed the challenge here today. Okay, we have made enough profit to pass the challenge here, 5%. So starting tomorrow, I will be doing live trade on the real account. Okay, definitely I will be doing it's the same. I will buy 2 accounts. Of course, start with the 6K one. What I'm gonna do is 1 account for the swing trade, 1 is for the scalping. Okay, with the same strategy, if we manage to pass the 2 phases of the account within 1 month time frame, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to receive the payout and I'm going to subscribe to the 15K account, and then I'll repeat that with the profit. I will buy on a 200K account until we pass the 200K account or receive the payout. Okay, that's the thing that we are going. This is our plan for this 1 whole year. Okay, bear in mind it's a 1 year plan. It's a 12 month plan. Okay, it's not going to it's not something that is going to what we call it, a fast profit or a fast profit plan. Okay, I think I can show you the result here from FTMO website. Okay, let me just pull the website here. It's okay to show everything here. So our average profit is actually higher than the losses. Okay, yeah, with this we are actually having a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Okay, we only took 3 trading days, as you can see. We have 1 losses here, 2 win. Okay, one is get 7K profit, another is a 5K profit. Okay, average RR is 1.41. Number of trades doesn't matter because we are splitting into several positions. The lot size are consistent here, and we have a win rate of 80%, a profit factor at 5.63, which is very good here. Okay, sub ratio 0.86. It doesn't matter. We can see here our highest loss is only 2 no, this is the allowed losses. Okay, as you can see, we already passed the challenge with 3 trading days. We managed to make 5%. Okay, this is more than good enough. Okay, unfortunately, I messed up on the expiry date for the scalping account. If we otherwise, I think I could have passed the account challenge as well. As mentioned, I would just do scalping just now, 40 pips, 3K plus. I should be able to pass. Okay, with that, I will start to move into a funded next, and I will subscribe to the funded account, and I will see you again tomorrow. I hope you enjoy a good profit today. Thank you.